In C++, the fundamental string type is an array of characters terminated with a null value. This is sometimes referred to as a C string or a null-terminated string to distinguish it from object-oriented string types. Here I have a working copy of cstrings.cpp from Chapter 5 of the exercise files. The character type is technically an integer type of a size suitable for holding a character, which is 8 bits on most common systems. A string is an array of these characters terminated with a 0 value. So this 6-character string here in line 6 that says string is a string that actually takes up 7 values in the array, including the null terminator. So let's go ahead and build and run this. And you can see the string is printed out here on line 8, and then on lines 10 through 12, this for loop prints out each individual character in the array. You'll notice that it prints out these 6 values, 0 through 5. It does not print out the 7th one. We can look at the size of the string like this. You can use the size of operator and give it this C string array, and actually size of returns a long. It's actually a size T, which is a long. And I'll go ahead and build and run that, and we see the size of the array is 7. So it's got 6 characters, but the size of the array is 7 because it also includes that null terminator. Here within the quotes is a literal string, and what that returns is a constant array of constant characters terminated by a 0. If you want to concatenate multiple literal strings, you can do so like this. And let's just put in 3 of them. And this white space can be any white space. They can be on separate lines, indent them a little bit. And when I build and run, you see that the array is 19 long now, and it says string, string, string like that. So they're each 6 characters, so 6 times 3 is 18 plus the null terminator. So these literal strings are concatenated into one literal string, and that one literal string is terminated with one null. And so 18 characters makes an array of size 19 with the null terminator. So C strings are a very simple form of strings, much simpler than the string class provided by the C++ STL. For circumstances where you don't need the power of object-oriented strings, C strings are small, simple, and fast, and they're very commonly used in C++. C++ STL strings will be covered in the chapter on the STL.